Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Today's video, we'll be adding some LEDs to the F-150, and this isn't your typical install video. We aren't actually adding, we are replacing. So what we'll be doing today is we'll be replacing the OEM puddle lights under the mirrors for these amber Tremor lights by F-150 LEDs. Now this is a great product by F-150 LEDs, not because of the simplicity of the install, but because of the customization it gives to your truck. And they don't only make this for the Tremor, they make it for the Lariat, XLT, King Ranch, Platinum, and Raptor as well. Now what you can expect to receive in this kit is your 2 puddle lamps from F-150 LEDs, your screwdriver so you can remove your OEM puddle lamps, and this sort of screwdriver, as you will call it, to adjust the orientation of your light once the install is done. So let's get right to the install, you guys. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is pop out your OEM lights, and you're gonna use your screwdriver, stick it straight up into this hole here, and we're gonna pop it right out. And then we'll take our new light, and there's a little L right there for left-hand side, and these wires aren't polarity sensitive, so it does not matter which wire goes into which slot. Plug 1 in, we'll plug 2 in, and then before we pop it back in, let's just crack the door. And there we go, you can see that turned on. Now that we know it's good, we'll pop it right in the hole, just like that. And a very nice OEM fit. So let's go do the passenger side and we'll see how they look. So same thing, we'll just take the screwdriver and we'll pop it out. As you can see, the Ford factory terminals have a little bit of corrosion on them. So we'll take our new light and we will plug it in. Remember, it does not matter which side you use, just like that. All right, so now let's see how they work. So what we can do is we can come into the truck here. We can turn our truck on, click on our zone lighting, power it on, close, and then we'll do all zones. No, I lied. We'll do turn that one off, turn that one off, and we'll just leave the mirrors on. So with zone lighting, it turns on these guys here, but you also get the puddle lights down there that are on. So this one doesn't need much adjusting. That's how it came from the box. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tweak it just a touch here. So we take our wrench, there's gonna be 2 holes in the light, and then we put the wrench in, just like so. And if we look at the ground here, which now I'm currently blocking the logo, and I would say that's pretty close to parallel with the truck. Let's go check out the other side here. That one is not nearly as straight. So let's put our little doohickey in here, and I'm gonna wanna turn this one clockwise, I'm pretty sure. And that is pretty good. You'll lose your puddle light brightness. These aren't nearly as functional as the OEM LEDs, but you do get the customization of this. And to me, this looks really cool. I really love this. And I have the Boost Auto running boards. So when I open my doors, I already have the built-in puddle lights just like that. So I really didn't need the mirror ones. So this suits me very, very well. Looks really, really cool, you guys. A nice little custom mod, and it's built into all your truck features as well. And what I mean by that is I got my keys in my hand, and when I approach my truck, it turns on automatically. So the Tremor light is shot on the ground. It acts the same way as your puddle light with that touch of customization. And like I said, not nearly as bright as your OEM light. I mean, not even close to as light as your OEM puddle light. But because I have the Boost Auto running boards, I definitely do not need it. And just like that, we have another mod added to the truck. So very easy, very clean. It only takes a couple minutes to do each side, if that. If this is something that you want for your truck, I'll make sure to put the link in the description below, as well as a code to get a discount on the product. As always, you guys, if you have any questions, any concerns, make sure you guys comment below. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next one.